Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your PC or laptop the easy way. So at the bottom of your screen, you're probably going to see something like this. This is called Microsoft Store. You can see this little icon. You can just type in Store right here, open up Microsoft Store, or go to the Windows Start button, and you can see Microsoft Store. Let's click on this. Now, typically on just the top page here under trending, you can see Roblox right here. You can get it. Otherwise, we can go on down to the gaming section and we can go to like free games and stuff and we can search for Roblox under here. Now, if you don't see anything, just type it in on the top, Roblox. And we can see Roblox Windows. We can click on this and then we can go and get this. So let's select it and download it. And you have to pick a hard drive you want to download it to. So this one looks good. Let's go to install right here. And now it is downloading and installing onto my Windows PC. So once I get this, I can just sign into my account and then I can start playing. And it shouldn't take too long. It's only 308 megabytes. So it's halfway done right now. And you can see, you can read the reviews about Roblox under here. But go ahead and get this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.